Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it if your YouTube recap isn't showing. So if you've been waiting to see your 2025 recap and it's not appearing, follow along step by step to get it working. All right, let's dive in. First, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version and that you're signed in. To update, open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and tap Update if it's available. If it just says Open, you're already on the latest version. Once that's done, open the YouTube app. Look in the U menu for the Your 2025 Recap is Here option. If you don't see it, don't worry, we can fix it in a few more steps. Next, open any web browser on your device and go to youtube.com/recap. Hit Go and you'll see a pop-up at the bottom of the page. Tap Open YouTube, then hit Open again. Your recap should start playing automatically. If it still doesn't show up, don't panic. YouTube recaps are rolling out gradually worldwide, so depending on your region, it might take a few days to appear. Just make sure your app is updated and check back in a couple of days. That usually does the trick. And that's it. Following these steps should get your YouTube recap working. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. If this quick tutorial helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.